Hi guys, welcome to my channel Spicy. Love spicy food and want a healthier gut? Try this. Kimchi has so many health benefits. I'm making kimchi fried rice with bacon that tastes perfectly delicious together. All you need is kimchi and bacon. You don't need any other ingredients for taste. Kimchi and bacon have lots of flavor in it. Just slice up some bacon into small pieces and cut up some kimchi too. Kimchi is pretty versatile and can add a little heat to all sorts of savory dishes. Cook some bacon first, then when it's cooked halfway, add kimchi in and stir fry together. Kimchi is a red fermented cabbage cream dish made with a mix of salt, garlic, ginger, chili peppers, fishy sauce, and other spices. Kimchi is good for your gut because it contains a healthy bacteria and probiotic for the overall wellness of your body, and it lowers your cholesterol levels, healthy body development, and your vision. And it prevents stomach cancer, slows down the aging process and helps you lose weight and boost your immunity. It just has so many benefits. Throw in 2 bowls of steamed rice, which would be 3 to 4 servings, and mix it all together. When you're mixing it, please do not press on the rice, just use the tip of the spatula to mix. Just try to keep the texture of rice nicely, not smoosh. And add a drizzle of sesame oil. It smells so good. Make a little space in the middle of the pan. With a little bit of olive oil, and I'm gonna crack some eggs in there. And please don't forget the cheese, it makes it taste 10 times better. Put the lid on for 1 to 2 minutes to melt the cheese. And that's it. It's all ready. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys liked it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thank you!